What's up, kings and queens? KURYAKyn here. Hope you all are having a grand day. Today, just want to do an initial unboxing of the KURYAKYN Kinetic Grips for Kawasaki, Suzuki, Victory, and Yamaha. Let's get to it. Alright, so now that we're back, the package isn't much. There's nothing special to look at. Just a cardboard box with a sticker on top of it. Go ahead and open that up. The installation directions here. Some other paperwork. Alright, the grips come individually wrapped in some bubble wrap. Go ahead and open each one of those up, pull the grips out. While individually wrapped, they're still wrapped in still in another little pocket plastic sleeve. And this would be the passenger side grip. I said passenger side, the left side, the clutch side grip. And this is the throttle side. It already comes with a throttle tube, and it's already on the tube. It already has the, for your cables. Initial thoughts. I would say in the hand they feel pretty good. They don't feel, they're like a hard plastic, but they don't feel cheap. I feel like they really put some thought into them. I'll probably say a little bit longer than I thought they would be. They do come with end caps, so just take that off and that'll be the end cap there. But they actually feel quite good. You see the gloss black plastic with these rubber ridges on it. Once you get your hand on there, they pretty much fall, your fingers will fall pretty much right on those rubber ridges. Actually look pretty good. I like the quality of them. I like the way they look. I think they're going to be pretty comfortable once I get them installed on the bike. There's some adhesive grip glue from Black Widow rubber. So that'll be for the installation of that clutch side grip. Put that on, get that on. So yeah, that's it, guys. Real quick, nothing special, but these are big. I do approve these. I would say that these are some pretty nice looking grips. I'll do another excuse me. I'll do another full review on them once I get them on the motorcycle. We're doing that bar swap. So once I get them on there, I'll really do another. I'd really do an in-depth and full review on how they actually feel while on the bike. If you're interested in these KURYAKYN Kinetic Grips, the part number for the metric bikes and the Victories is 6376. It comes with a list of motorcycles that will fit. Long list from Kawasaki, Suzuki, Yamaha, and Victory. It says it fits all Victory models except for the Vision. So yeah, if you're interested in those KURYAKYN Kinetic Grips, that's the part number again. That's 6376. Check them out. I can't remember how much I spent on. I think it was probably about, I want to just be on the safe side, I think it was between like $70 and $80. I can't really remember, so I really don't. No, just look it up, because I really don't remember how much I paid for them. So yeah, nice grips. Can't wait to get them on the motorcycle. I think they're going to be great. Again, like I said, they look good. Feel good in the hand. For now, I want to see how they handle vibrations, going through the bars and everything like that. See if they're still, see if they still hold up. Feel good in the hand. My hand, wraps around like that. Doesn't, it's not like I don't know, but they feel good. That's what I would say. They feel good. They look good. I think they're good quality. KURYAKYN does make some pretty good quality things. So yeah, I say check them out. You guys might like them. Alright, kings and queens, you guys have a good evening. Peace.